Have you ever wished you could feel calm and confident about your money? No matter what's happening in the stock market, the economy, or even the world around you. That's exactly what Tony Robbins teaches in his book, Unshakeable. It's not just about making money. It's about building a mindset and a plan that keeps you steady even in financial storms. Today, let's break down Unshakeable, and I'll show you how it can completely shift the way you think about investing and wealth. One of Tony Robbins's key messages is that the financial world will always be uncertain. Market crashes happen, recessions happen, and news headlines will always try to scare you. But instead of panicking, you need a plan. Robbins teaches that if you're prepared, you can actually profit from downturns rather than fear them. He gives the example that the best investors, like Warren Buffett, see crashes as sales, not disasters. Robbins introduces simple but powerful investing rules. Don't try to time the market. It doesn't work. Focus on low-cost index funds rather than expensive, actively managed funds. Diversify across asset classes and countries. And always protect yourself against fees and taxes, because those eat away at your returns silently. He emphasizes the concept of compound growth. Even a small difference in fees can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over decades. That's why he says, fees are the silent killer of wealth. What makes Unshakeable stand out is how much Tony talks about the psychology of money. He says wealth isn't just about numbers in your bank account. It's about peace of mind. For example, you could be rich and still feel insecure, or you could have modest wealth but feel truly free. Robbins argues that confidence comes from clarity and preparation. When you know you have a solid financial plan, fear disappears. Robbins also introduces what I'd call the escape plan, the idea of financial independence. Instead of living paycheck to paycheck, build a portfolio that generates income, whether you work or not. He explains that everyone should calculate their freedom number, the amount of money you need invested to cover your basic living expenses forever. Once you reach that number, you're free. You don't have to retire, but you no longer depend on anyone else for survival. So, what's the real message of Unshakeable? It's that financial peace isn't about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it. Tony Robbins gives you the tools, the mindset, and the plan to become unshakable, no matter what happens in the economy. If you want a book that combines practical financial advice with deep mindset shifts, this is a must-read. My call to action for you: don't just read about these strategies, apply them. Calculate your freedom number, cut unnecessary fees, and start investing consistently. Remember, confidence with money doesn't come from luck, it comes from preparation.